Shivkumar PU College, and it is now 7:30. We are at this ChukkiMane farm, which is near Belakavadi. And there are 50 children, rural children, who we are introducing them to nature and conservation. So yeah, we're going to have a great time.
Thank you, and I welcome all the nature conservatives, nature consultants who are helping us to train more than 50 people in terms of becoming a nature certification. Okay. So we are going for a bird watch near to the river Kaveri, next to the river Kaveri.